something. Could have seen it in your eyes. Took a second, but I'm right here.
Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. For this video, I wanted to do the part 3 of the Makeup Basics one-on-one series that I started last year. So for the past 2 videos that I did for that, I have the makeup brushes one-on-one. Now in this video, I want to share now how you clean and sanitize your brushes and the different ways how to do it. And this is not only for professional makeup artists, for everyone who's using makeup tools like makeup brushes and sponges, then this is definitely for you as well. So if you wanted to learn the basics of cleaning your makeup tools, then keep on watching. So the first one is what I called quick and easy brush cleaning. So as you guys can see, I have dirty brushes over here. And then I have the first one that I'm going to share with you. This one is from Sephora collection. This is called Daily Brush Cleaner. So it's called Daily Brush Cleaner because basically you can use this for every day whenever you use your brush. So let me show you how to use a daily brush cleaner. So you only need the paper towel or tissue paper. You can either spray it directly to the paper towel and then swirl the brush, or you can spray it directly to the brush, especially for the ones that are heavily soiled. Swirl it on the paper towel. And then what I like to do is to also squeeze the sides of the brush to remove any extra dirt on the sides of the brush. And then that's it. You can see how clean it becomes after 1 or 2 times that you spray it with a daily brush cleaner. Second one is still something that's quick and easy for your makeup brushes, but this is more meant for brushes that you use for liquid and cream, like foundations, concealer, stick or cream blush, or contour. So this one is the Cinema Secrets Makeup Brush Cleaner. So this is the one that I have, and it comes with that small tin can where you can dip the brush, and this is the refill. I use this brush cleaner for my brushes that I use for any liquid and cream based makeup. So you want to put a little bit in this tin can that it comes with, or any bowl, little bowl that you have, and then dip the brush in there, hold it upright for about 5 seconds, and then swirl it and just wipe it down to the paper towel or tissue paper. So you want to hold it for about 5 seconds so the liquid goes to the base, but not too long that it might ruin the glue or loosen the glue of the brush. We would for an everyday quick and easy makeup, then this is something that could be handy. This is called the Clean Sweep Makeup Brush Pad. Some brands call it Switch because you can switch from one color to another using one brush. So I'm going to show you guys how to use it. So let's say I just use this brush for my eyeshadow, but I want to use the same exact brush but for a different color. So what I do is I'll just swirl it, and it will help to quickly remove the excess eyeshadow powder in the brush, and then I can safely dip it to the next color without blending or mixing the 2 colors. So this is basically made of like a sponge that's more porous. So quick and easy, and it's very cheap to just add on your routine if you are someone who use a lot of colors in your routine. And last and final one will be for deep cleaning. So the first ones that I showed you is more for everyday quick and easy cleaning of your brushes. This one will be more for deep cleaning, which means it will involve water and soap. And I have 2 favorites. So this one is the Makeup Brush Shampoo. This is also from Sephora collection. And then another one that I like is the Deep Clean Solid. So this one comes with that silicone pad where you can swirl your brushes while you're cleaning it, and that is the bar soap. Also, these 2 products are perfect for cleaning your sponges. Now let me show you how I do my weekly deep cleaning of my brushes and sponges. So first is the sponge. What I like to do is to wet the sponge and really squeeze it, and then put 1 to 2 pumps of the brush shampoo or the sponge shampoo, and then squeeze the sponge until you see that the makeup is coming out from it, and then like really squeeze it and then rinse. So you kind of lather, squeeze, and rinse. And then just repeat the same steps as needed. And then same with the bar soap here. You wanted to wet the sponge again, squeeze it, and then swirl it around the soap so you get the product. And then keep on squeezing, lathering it, and squeeze it again, and just repeat the same procedure until you remove all the makeup. I find that this is way better and easier than using other like baby shampoo or the dishwashing liquid like other people use. It's more gentle for your brushes and for your sponge than those ones, and it keep them last longer. Now here for the brush, I'm using the textured silicone pad that it comes with the soap. And then what I like to do is like swirling it onto the soap and then holding the brush upright while adding a bit of water to really cleanse it and give a good lather. And you can see how it quickly removes the makeup from the brush, and make sure you hold it downward so the water doesn't get into the ferrule. That can loosen the glue off the brush. And then rinse and kind of squeeze out the excess water and then let it dry. So I recommend doing deep cleaning once a week so it will prevent your makeup from falling off quickly, but at the same time you don't want to harbor a lot of bacteria if you don't clean it as often as you should. So I think like once a week is the perfect medium where you're going to do a deep cleaning for your brushes. And last step, after you do the cleaning, you wanted to sanitize your makeup brushes or your tools. So these are the top 2 products that you can use to sanitize your brushes. So basically, this one here is antibacterial as well. This one is from Sephora collection. I'm not sure if they still has this because I have a lot that I bought, but I didn't find this on the website anymore. So if you cannot find this, you can absolutely use this one. This is the 70% rubbing alcohol that you can buy in the stores or pharmacy. And basically just going to spray the brushes after they dry. And after that, you are good to go and you can use your brushes again just like they are brand new. So why is it important to clean and sanitize your makeup tools? There's 3 main reasons why you wanted to keep your brushes clean and sanitized. First is you wanted to prolong the span of life of your brushes. If you are cleaning them properly, then for sure your brushes will last longer, and at the same time it will avoid from building up all the makeup, especially if it's liquid and cream on your brushes that will eventually wreck your brushes quicker. Second is it will ensure a better and proper makeup application. If your brushes and sponges are clean, then it will be easier for you to do your makeup because there's no piled up powders or liquids in there, which will prevent you from having a nice and flawless application of your makeup. And I assure you it will be easier and faster to achieve the makeup look that you are doing every day. A lot of people are blaming their brushes or their makeup products why they're not achieving the makeup look that they wanted or the flawless application that they want. And most of the time, it's not just the product, it's not just the actual brush if it's cheap or not. It could be because it is dirty and it is not in good condition to be used. Third and final reason is a big thing, and it is for your skin. A lot of breakouts and skin reaction are coming from dirty brushes or sponges. If you are wearing makeup, it's not just your makeup. It could be the brushes that you use every day for the past few months haven't been cleaned properly. And every time you use your makeup brushes or sponges, all the powders or cream or liquid piles up, and especially for like foundation, concealer, or anything that's damp and moist, they are quicker to harbor any bacteria and germs in there. So if you're not cleaning it or washing it regularly, then you'll most likely end up with breakouts and you don't even realize that it is from your dirty makeup tools. So please, 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 if you are using makeup, don't forget to clean your brushes. If you are not wearing makeup every day, but once in a while, at least make sure that your brushes, before you put them away, you clean them properly, even just the daily brush cleaner like this. This one also has the antibacterial, so that will help keep your brushes clean. And if it's been a while that your makeup brushes are sitting, and then again you're going out and you wanted to apply makeup, make sure you do this first because this one dry quick, so you can at least remove any dust, dirt, and bacteria that's been sitting there when you weren't using it. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you want me to continue my makeup basics one-on-one and what you want to learn on my next video for this series, let me know down in the comments below. I hope to see you guys again next week. Take care and keep safe.